everyone, welcome to Pairdeer Stadium. I'm Bill.
I'm Jessica.
Today we are going to show the most advanced workshop to all of you.
And during the broadcast, if you have any question and comment, please feel free to leave it in the comment area and we will get back to you in time.
Please also pay attention to Pairdeer homepage to find more videos and playbacks.
Our factory was located in a beautiful seaside city, Ningbo, which is founded in year 1954. Until now, have more than 16 years experience in battery manufacturing. So today let's go and visit our factory. But before that, let's welcome Bill to make a PPT to show us how the battery is made of.
Alkaline batteries are over half-century in our life. We Pairdeer produced 3 billion pieces a year. Now let's check the structure of the batteries to see what's inside. Modern alkaline batteries produce electricity by positive material and the negative material react together. This is AA batteries. The red part is positive. We call it steel can. We import steel from Japan and then rolling into round shape by ourselves. The material used for the positive, it is also the second biggest material. We call the manganese dioxide and graphite. You might be familiar with graphite because it is used for pencils. By automatic machine, the manganese powder compressed into battery-friendly rings. We will use 3 rings. Insert the steel can. It will fill into nickel-plated battery cans. The electronics of battery must not come together directly each other. We need a roll special paper between positive and negative. We call it separator paper, which is imported from France. Then, after we will inject the electrolyte, and it will take 30 minutes for the absorption. Let the electrolytes come into the separator. Then, negative material we call zinc. Why is zinc? Because the metal easily releases electronics. After pre-treatment, add some top secret performance components. We make the zinc powder into zinc gel and add some gel so it is ready for the battery produce. The last but not least, we will assembling a current collector and insert it to the negative pole. So a battery is finished.
Thank you, Bill. After Bill's introduction, trust you must have best understanding for the battery now. So next, let's see a video about our factory.
Hello guys, I'm Jessica. Welcome to Pairdeer, our beautiful factory. Here, what I'm standing is the biggest alkaline production base in Asia. Can you imagine that? 3 billion piece battery per year come out from this base, and 17% of them will be exported to all over the world. So what kind of production system can support such big capacity? If you are curious too, so please follow me and I will take all of you to discover the secret behind. Okay, let's go. This bridge connects the office building and the warehouse and the workshop. And on both sides, you can find some advertising boards. Let's go and have a look. future, our President, Mr. Xi Jinping, and our factory director, William, Mr. Xi visited our factory in years 2008, and before that time, our first generation production line was granted the second prize of the National Technology Invention Award. As you may know, our Pairdeer is also a national brand and sells very good. Though they have organizations, they will pick samples from local market to test, and our brand always ranking #1 in national battery comprehensive performance test for over 12 years. And we sponsor one CBA basketball team for over 18 years. Now we arrive, and behind me is what I really want to show you today. It's our nuclear weapon. The Intelligent Production Workshop, we also call it Dark Workshop. And the light keep off when daily running. And inside the workshop is our fourth generation production line, which was designed and created by our own engineers. Combined with our MIS central control system, it achieves online assembly and online QC checking. So, from the raw material in and final goods out, there's no workers inside and involved, but only have one person sitting in the central room to monitor the data collecting from the production line. The intention why we develop such production line is that we truly believe that if you use machine to replace people, can effectively lower the human error and control the quality. So let's go inside and have a look.
We now have 28 world advanced alkaline battery assembly lines, among which we have world the fastest speed and most effective operating assembly line. Our newest developed lines are operated completely on land and intelligentialized. Designed with high-speed train appearance. And equips with MIS Central Information Integration System. Constant online video monitoring system. And intelligent robot transferring system, which makes us become world top battery facility manufacturer.
Welcome back. Thanks for Jessica to make this video for us. Actually, it's our fourth generation production line. From the first to the newest. We never stop R&D. Less and less work needed, but more and more new tech applied.
Yes, and you could find in our intelligent workshop, we have the face identification system, the MIS system, the online video monitoring system, and the transferring robot. And because of the advanced tech, this line could fully achieve the online production and automatic and unmanned operation.
Here, we want to say thank you to our strong R&D engineer team. Thanks for their contribution and efforts.
Yes, so let's see the picture. They are our engineer team who designed and created the first generation line. Just this line got the second prize of the National Technology Award. This honor means a lot to us because at that year the first prize owner is Shenzhou rocket ship, and we were the second. It's an amazing job they did. To improve the battery quality, trust they will keep working and upgrading the line.
I also collect some interesting pictures to share of you. As a leading manufacturer of alkaline battery, our factory attracts a lot of national and international medias, including TV, internet, newspaper, magazine, radio, and so on. Please see the picture. With my great honor, once I accompanied a very well German TV station called Pro 7. They fly from Europe and make an exclusive interview for some advanced factory in China. We are the one of them.
See this picture, the host was quite surprised that we had such intelligent production line.
Yes, he and his team speak highly of our tidy, high-speed, and stable production line. The lady in the middle is our Vice President, Ms. Huang. She was introducing our factory and the intelligent workshop to Germany friends. This picture was taken 2 years before. Some civil servants from East Euro countries come to have a visit our factory. Jessica, did you remember it was me and you to treat them and show them around our factory?
Yeah, I remember that. It's a big group, around 40 people. That was a very interesting experience.
With the development of globalization, international communication and learning became more and more popular.
Yes, and our factory, as a local industry tourism base, every year will attract a lot of groups from the government, the school, and the social organizations. And we'll also warmly welcome you to our factory. Me and Bill are here waiting for you.
Time flies. That's all for today. Hope you like it.
Yeah, it's time to say goodbye. So let's see you next time.
Welcome to continue focus on our next stadium, acknowledge of battery.
Bye bye.
See you next time.